Once your resume is built, the Finish Up and Preview tab is where you review, optimize, and get it ready to send. Here's what's in there. Start with the template. Click Template to browse Rezi's library. Simple, modern, creative, and compact. You can preview each one, save favorites, and compare layouts before committing. Under Adjustments, you can customize fonts, spacing, colors, and section dividers. If you'd rather not tweak things manually, Auto Adjust optimizes your spacing and layout automatically. Next, use AI keyword targeting to compare your resume against the job description. Missing keywords are flagged, and Rezi can generate bullet points that include them naturally. Then, check your Rezi Score for a detailed breakdown of how your resume performs across content, format, optimization, best practices, and application readiness. When you're ready, download your resume as a PDF, DOCX, or send it directly to Google Drive. You can also generate a shareable link if you want a second opinion before applying. That's the Finish Up and Preview tab, the last stop before your resume goes out.